So now we are going to look at demonstrate how to publish to GitHub packages using a workflow. So you are going to publish a Node.js package to GitHub packages. So let's go back to our Node.js hello world and we have our application over here. One thing you need to notice is in package.json, the name should be your org name. So it should match this. And then the package name. So in this case, I've named it as my repository name. So try to match this structure, like where this part matches your org name and this part matches your repository name. And we are going to take a look at a reason why, but try to have this name with this naming convention. Now let's go to our workflows and create a new workflow. And I'm going to create a file publish npm.yaml. And now let's start writing our file. So we are going to build our Node.js package and our project and publish the package to our npm registry. So the name would be publish publish to GitHub Packages and on push branches main. So I'm going to only run this when there is a push to branch main. And the first job would be build and package. So we're going to build our application and package it. It runs on Ubuntu. And then steps. So the first step is we are going to check out the code. And name would be, and next would be let's use Node.js. So we are going to set up Node.js so that we can use the npm commands. We're going to use the action setup node and we are going to use with node version 20. And now let's install the dependencies. So this would be npm install and now build the package. We're going to build the package. Name would be package, and now we're going to package the app and run npm pack. So that would package the application. So far we have done npm install, npm run build, and then pack. And now let's upload the package so that our next job can read it. So that you don't want to rebuild again for the next job, you can upload the package. And I'm going to show you how. So we're going to do uses, actions, upload, artifact, v2. So this is going to upload the package for the next job to use. Otherwise, the next job won't have the package that we just built. And the name would be package with name and path. So here with name package indicates that the final upload of the artifact will have the name package, and what will be the part of the package? Anything with star.tgz extension. So it will upload a file package.star package.tgz. And we will be able to look at the workflow UI and download this file as well that is being created over here. So now let's write our publish job. So we already wrote build and package job. Now let's write the publish job. So it will be publish and again runs on Ubuntu latest, permissions. So this will require permissions because we want to write the package to the npm registry. Contents read and packages write. And now this needs build and package. So basically you will publish it only after build and package job runs. And I'm going to say steps over here. Now let's write the steps. First will be download the package. So remember we had uploaded the package over here. Now we are going to download that package. So this is how you pass a file between different jobs within a workflow. And then again, it uses actions, download artifact, and again with name, package. We had given our file name as package. We're going to set up Node.js again, and we can reduce this repeated steps, but we'll look at that in a later video. But we're going to set up the Node.js, which again uses actions, set up node with node version 20, so same as here. Though over here we want to publish it to our npm registry, so we'll specify the registry URL, which is https npm package github.com, and scope would be my username over here, and for you it will be different, so type that accordingly. And now we'll run a command. We're just going to echo registry https npm dot package dot github.com slash your org name or the username. I think this is this is a Node.js specific thing where we have to populate npm rc with your registry and the scope, and make sure this is also in quotes. And now we're going to publish. So I'm going to do npm publish. Env, and it requires a env parameter npm auth token, which will be same as our GitHub token. So this basically finds any tgz extension files and publishes them. So in our case, we'll have a file called package.tgz, and it will publish that to npm. So now let's commit our changes, and I'm going to commit it into the main branch. So we have our file over here. So let's take a look at the actions. And we have two workflows. So I have one. So going back to I already had this main that we had created earlier, and the new one is publish npm. So we are mostly concerned with publish npm file. So this is the one, and it failed. So let's take a look at why it failed. So it built the package as expected, but the publish failed. So I already have a existing package. So I'm going to delete that because it's trying to republish that. So I'm going to go to Node.js hello, and my org or name. I'm going to go to packages, and over here there is already a package. So I'm going to delete this package. So now I'm going to go to package settings, and over here delete this package, and then delete the package. So if I go back here and packages, I do not have that package anymore. So I'm going to rerun our workflow. So I'm going to go back to our repository, actions, and over here view workflow file. So this is our workflow, and let's rerun the jobs, rerun all jobs. So it's going to rerun both the jobs, and we are going to take a look at it over here. So after a while, you can see that it built the package and then it published the package as well. And we can go to our org name or the owner name, go to packages, and you can see over here the package is published. Now you might ask a question like, if I want to publish a new package version, you go to package.json and update this version, so it will publish a different versioned package. So if I go back to my packages over here, the current version is 1.0.0, so you can publish a different package with a different version.